What is it? Well, I can tell you right now, something that you all love. We've in fact sold 36 million bottles of the shampoo shower gel bubble bath from Philosophy. It's been a Customer Choice Beauty Award winner 12 times as Best Body Cleanser. It's Icon Week here at QVC. We're bringing out the icons. Philosophy is definitely an icon. The whole show, in fact, is less than $45, except for the one part of the today's special value. So just know that we're giving you things that I know you can probably afford. Mary Lynn Meyer, come on in. This is so exciting. Hello,
hello.
hello.
It's so good to see you.
I know, they're telling us not to touch each other.
It's going around.
Because it is flu season, no doubts about it. But anyway, you look lovely.
Thank you, so do you.
So good to see you.
It's the day of the Marys.
It is the day. I had Mary Ellen, Mary Beth, Mary Lynn.
And I have Mary DeAngelis at 5
Oh,
o'clock.
you're kidding.
So it's a whole day.
Awesome. Well, what we're giving you is actually a 16-ounce shampoo shower gel and an 8-ounce. Together, these two are $29.98. And it should be a lot more than that, but right now you're getting a big deal. And remember, a big deal is a lot like a today's special value kind of value. But we also have really, really good scents to use as well. I'm going to have you start on that end, Mary Lynn.
All right.
And take us through these scents.
All right, so you're getting this hydrating shower gel in this luxurious skincare formula first, and these soul-soothing scents. All of them are going to be based in vanilla. With Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, it's based in vanilla with cashmere, but there's this airy wisp of warmth and sweetness. There's some caramel. There's a little bit of tangerine in here, and this buttery shortbread that comes together that makes this so decadent and delightful, but still lightweight too.
One of my all-time favorite ones. And then Sweet Vanilla Fig, that's like an original.
Yeah, this was our first, what we would say, aromatic scent. So it has the lush florals, that Madagascar vanilla, but there's also a juicy ripe fig that when you blend it all together, it's romantic, it's alluring, it's beautiful.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's more fragrant-like, I think, than the others.
It's a little more feminine.
Yes.
Okay, then this one, Vanilla Birthday Cake.
I'm so excited about this one, Mary Beth. It's kind of a back from the vault scent.
Yes.
It's one that customers ask for us over and over and over throughout the entire year, because when you want a gift for someone, there's nothing better than a little bit of birthday cake.
Yep, exactly. And then we go into our last one, which is Fresh Cream. And Fresh Cream is just that. I mean, it smells like the whipped cream my mom would make after church on Sundays, and we would get home, we would make the whipped cream, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla.
So easy.
So easy, but so fresh. Like it's not like the kind that comes out of a can now. But anyway, you get these, and what do we do with these for those people who are new to Philosophy?
Well, the good news about this is a product that you're going to be able to use on your hair and your body. I don't know where my voice just went.
You know
it
what?
went away.
It's okay. I know what you're saying.
I'm so
around.
sorry. I apologize.
It's okay.
I was fine when I walked in the door.
Yeah.
But this is going to be your ultimate start or end of your day that's going to cleanse and hydrate, and it hydrates with the skin hugging moisture complex. And what that means, Mary Beth, is it's going to attract water, act like a water magnet to bind moisture to your skin and your hair, so that it's soft, so that your hair is fluffy, your skin never feels dry and tight. It's just cushioned and conditioned. The formula is perfect for sensitive skins. Our dermatologist said so. And it's sulfate-free and pH balancing. So if you want something that's going to be great for everyone in the home, the scents are really just there for the enjoyment during the tub or the shower or the bowl, however you're making your bubbles.
Exactly. Now, why is it great to have a 16-ounce and an 8-ounce size?
I like these two. I think they're really easy to use. You know, a lot of people that have dexterity issues, you want something that's going to be a little bit easier to handle. These sizes certainly are that. They're also great for travel. The 8-ounce is a wonderful size to travel with. Obviously, you're going to have to check it in your luggage, but quite honestly, what's 3 ounces going to get you? A couple days on vacation, maybe?
Yeah, not a week.
Not a week on vacation. Or maybe you want to keep one in your kitchen and one in a guest bathroom.
These are like iron bubbles. They last. Like if you love to take a bath, and you know, you make bubbles. See what I'm doing? I'm moving my bubbles.
But they're not going
You see
anywhere.
that? I can even move them there. And look at that, that big bubble. That's all staying there. And yet, when you touch this, it's just, it almost is like there's conditioning in it. You know, there's like a moisturizer, conditioner in there.
This was formulated like skincare for our face. There's glycerin, there's an ingredient called pinavidin, which is a natural sugar that binds moisture. But the scents, they're just a great way to lift your spirits. Maybe give a message to someone if you're giving one as a gift. I really love the vanilla, the sweet vanilla fig for a guest bathroom because I think it is just so luxurious and sophisticated.
And then maybe let them take it home. You know what I mean?
That would be really nice.
But here's the other thing. So I wrote down too a couple things: use in different bathrooms, or refill larger bottles, or traveling for sure. Whenever Mark and I go away for a week, I love these 8-ouncers because I just take that then, and then we both use that in the shower, wash our hair. I don't have to take shampoo and conditioner and all of that. It just saves so much room, and it's just really, really fun. I also think at this price of $29 and change, this is a great time to try some new fragrances, some new scents. I liked what you said. You said soul soothing scents.
Well, it's vanilla. I mean, vanilla is like, it's the scent that's most requested out of all of them.
Let me smell that.
This is warm cashmere.
That's my warm cashmere, honey. I treated myself to that at Christmas.
I got to tell you what.
I love that.
So I am a huge fan of fresh cream. It's my favorite. I find a way to put it in my day somewhere every single day.
Yeah.
Fresh cream warm cashmere came out. We introduced in this little bitty like spray bottle.
Yeah.
And our customers went nuts over it. Now, all anyone wants in my family is fresh cream warm cashmere. But I'll tell you what, if you want vanilla birthday cake, this is something we don't see very much, but that you ask for all the time. It's just such a fluffy, light, like it reminds me of my grandmother's angel food cake that she would make.
My mom used to make angel food all the time. I haven't made angel food cake in like decades.
I just remember that bun cake coming out of the oven and had that like crispy top. Now this one, there's a little bit more butter in it. There's a little bit of that spun sugar with the icing. We're like, why not?
Why not?
Why not? Indulge, it's the bath, right? It's gluten-free. There's not any calories.
Exactly. And here's the best part. It doesn't even smell too sweet.
No, not at all.
That's the other thing I wanted you to know. So here's what you have. This is brand new today at a big deal price. I want you to realize you're getting the 16-ounce and the 8-ounce. So if you add that together, that's 24 ounces. That's a lot. You know, what do you pay for the big 32-ouncers? If purchased separately, $43. We're saving you $13 by buying it. And we have fresh cream. We also have vanilla birthday cake. We have this sweet vanilla fig. And we have fresh cream warm cashmere. And you're getting both bottles. You know, here's the other thing. It's keep one, give one. And that could be for baby showers, wedding showers, you name it. Which one? What'd you say, Jason? Which one? Ooh, sweet vanilla fig is flying out.
Right on, girl.
There you go. #1 body cleanser in the United States, according to the MPD group. Thank you, my dear Mary Lynn.
Thank you. It's so good to see you.
So good to see you, too. In the